everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change your name in Fruit Ninja 2. To change your name on Fruit Ninja 2, first of all open up your Fruit Ninja 2 application on your mobile device. From the main homepage of Fruit Ninja 2, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now you will be able to see your name at the top. Click on the Edit Name button on the left and go ahead and edit your name according to your choice. Now click on OK and you will be able to change your name on Fruit Ninja 2. Pretty easy, isn't it? So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.